Hola estudiantes, soy Señorita Langevine. Hello students, I am Miss Langevine. Welcome to my grade 7 Spanish class. In this lesson, you will learn to say the days of the week and months of the year in Spanish to help you answer the following questions. What day is it and what is today's date? To begin the lesson, we will first look at the days of the week in Spanish. Days of the week in Spanish is Días de la semana. I will begin from Sunday and I want you to repeat after me, and when we're finished, I'm going to teach you a little song to help you to remember the vocabulary. Okay, let's go. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. From Sunday again, domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Muy bien. Let's do it one more time. Días de la semana. Days of the week. Días de la semana. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. All right. Are you ready to learn the song? Good. Let's go. It goes like this. Now, don't laugh my voice, okay? We will all sing along. It goes like this. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. 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 You think you got it? Or let me do it one more time. So we're going to just shout out the vocabulary and then we're going to sing it with a tune, okay? So from Sunday, domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. 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 All right, so you're going to practice that on your own, okay? So remember, días de la semana. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Muy bien. Okay, what day is today? In Spanish, you will ask, ¿Qué día es hoy? What day is today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Repeat after me. ¿Qué día es hoy? Muy bien. And you respond by saying whatever day it is. If it's Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, you begin by saying hoy es, and then you mention the day of the week. All right? Hoy es, today is, and then you mention the day of the week. For example, today is Monday. You will say in Spanish, hoy es lunes. Hoy es lunes. Remember, the H is silent in Spanish, so you don't say hoy, okay? You start from the O. So today is Monday. Hoy es lunes. Lunes is Monday. Today is Tuesday. Hoy es martes. Hoy es martes. Today is Tuesday. Now, today is translated to hoy, H-O-Y, hoy in Spanish. unlike in English, the days of the week and months of the year in Spanish do not begin with capital letters. So remember that when you're writing. The days of the week and the months of the year do not begin with capital letters in Spanish, but they do begin with capital letters in English. We're going to move on to the months of the year. Los meses del año, the months of the year in Spanish, en español. I will read each month in Spanish, and then you will repeat after me. And then, of course, I'm going to teach you a song. So we're going to start from January. Enero, repeat after me, okay? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Remember, the H is silent in Spanish and the J is pronounced as an H. So for June and July, it would be junio for June, and July is julio. So we're going to start from January again. Repeat after me. Repitan. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Muy bien. You ready to sing? The song goes like this. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses del año. Estos son los 12 meses del año. So, estos son los 12 meses del año. That is saying, these are the 12 months of the year. All right? So, let's go from the top again. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses del año. Estos son los 12 meses del año. One more time. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses del año. Estos son los 12 meses del año. Muy bien. So you're going to practice on your own. So far you know the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. Very good. So we're going to look at how to say the date in Spanish now. So, ¿qué fecha es? ¿Qué fecha es? Is used to ask for the date in Spanish. ¿Qué fecha es? What is today's date? You will ask, ¿qué fecha es hoy? ¿Qué fecha es hoy? What is today's date? Repeat after me. ¿Qué fecha es hoy? Muy bien. Now take a look at the following dates in Spanish. So we have 3 sentences there telling the date in Spanish. Let's go through those sentences. The first one is saying, today is October 2nd, or the 2nd of October. Hoy es el 2 de octubre. Hoy es el 2 de octubre. Today is March 1st. Hoy es el 1 de marzo. Hoy es el 1 de marzo. Today is September 15th. Hoy es el 15 de septiembre. hoy es el 15 de septiembre. Do you see the structure used to say the date in Spanish? Let's look at the first sentence. Today is October 2nd. Hoy es el 2 de octubre. What do you notice about the structure? So to write a date in Spanish, you begin with the day, as in the number, followed by DE, de, and then the month. All right, so you say the day. So we're saying the date in Spanish. You begin with the number, then followed by de, followed by the month. So hoy es el 2 de octubre. Today is October 2nd. We know hoy es today is. And then we have, if it's the second, you put the number el 2, followed by de, de, which stands for of or from. But in the sentence here, it's of. And the month, octubre. So the number followed by DE, which is of in Spanish, and then you have to write the month in Spanish. And that's how we express the date. Do you understand? We're going to practice in a few. So expressing the date with the year. So you put the number. So if it is the 3rd, 3 in Spanish is tres. So you put the number in Spanish, followed by de, which means of in Spanish, followed by the month, if it's February, febrero, and then you put the year, you write the year. All right? So you don't have to spell out the year in Spanish. You can just write the year as it is. For example, today is October 2nd, 2020. You see the structure there, hoy es el 2, you put the number 2, de octubre de 2020. And that is how you write the date in Spanish. Now, when the date is in the sentence that is telling you when something takes place, you need the article el before the number. If you look at the sentences that were given showing the dates, you see the article el. Do you see that? Hoy es lunes el 17 de junio. So you have the article el, then you say the number, followed by de, and then followed by the month, which is junio. My birthday is the 5th of March. Mi cumpleaños es el 5 de marzo. You see el, 5 de marzo. That is the 5th of May. Now in Spanish, there is no TH. So that is why it's very important for you to know the structure of the sentence. And the TH is replaced by DE, which means of. So in English, we will say the 5th of March, all right? You don't put the TH in Spanish. You put the number 5, and then you put of, which is DE, de, and then the month. So the 5th of March, el 5 de marzo. You'll use the ordinal number primero, which is first, when talking about the first of the month. Only for the first of the month, you use the ordinal number, primero. For the other dates, from 2, you say dos, tres, cuatro, whatever is the number. But for the first of the month, you don't say uno. You have to use the ordinal number, primero. Remember that. So this is your first activity. Complete the following sentences by translating the dates given. Example, the date given there was April 8. Hoy es el 8 de abril. So we know what to say today is hoy es. Remember the article el. You put that there, el. It's the 8th of April, so you put the number 8, which is ocho, followed by de, which is de, and then the month, abril, for April in Spanish. So April 8th, or the 8th of April, today is the 8th of April, hoy es el 8 de abril. You have 5 sentences there, and you have the dates, March 10, September 20th, June 5th, and then the last 2 sentences say Monday, July 1st, and Saturday, April 4th. So you have to answer it in a complete sentence. Today is, and then you write the date that is given in brackets there. We'll give you a few minutes to complete that, and then we're going to go through the answers. Okay, are you ready? Let's go through the answers. Today is March 10. You should have, as you can see on the screen, Hoy es el 10 de marzo. If you have that, muy bien. Today is September 20th. Hoy es el 20 de septiembre. If you have that, muy bien. Today is June 5th. Hoy es el 5 de junio. If you have that, muy bien. Monday, July 1st. Hoy es lunes, el 1 de julio. Remember, for the first, you use primero. So if you have that, muy bien. And the last one, Saturday, April 4th. Hoy es sábado, el 4 de abril. And if you have that, muy bien. Remember to look at the structure of how to write the date in Spanish. You begin with the article el, then the number, followed by de, and then the month. And if you want to add the year, you also add a year at the end. Gracias por su atención. Hasta la próxima clase.